Good morning, sunshine. The other day, I put the GoPro, the old GoPro, down by the Poolside Oasis, where the portulaca is blooming. Set it on time lapse. Well, lo and behold, when I went to review the video, I found Pele, my woodchuck, dancing around in my portulacas, my poolside oasis. What I noticed was this flower going down. So this is what the time lapse looks like in real time. But it takes 3 minutes to view it. So I'm going to cut it right here and multiply by 32. Now you tell me if you saw a woodchuck. This segment actually happened first, and I speeded it up times 64 so you could see the portulaca coming to life. And lastly, this is a captured video frame from that time lapse using the old GoPro. As you can see, I captured the very moment that he stepped on that portulaca flower. There you go.